I am still in Hisar in the same park. This is the second archaeological reserve. Could be birds, some kind of frog. I'm not sure. There is more water here. Pools. So maybe I'll find the source of that sound if it's actually in there. So I'll come up over there shortly. And I think, okay. And that sound kind of interesting. You can make it a little bit louder. I can see movement in the water. I think they're frogs. And I'm thinking I'm going to go down to see if I can find the frogs. And again, I don't trust the surface. So I slid down. Now I can more comfortable getting up. So there's wall there. There's a pool of water there. Oh. I'm working my way towards the pool. Okay. So there was movement. There is. These I think might be. There is. That's a frog. I can see a frog. I'm going to try to get to the other side if it doesn't move to show you close up. So if you like frogs, this will be fun. If you don't, just bear with me because I think when you hear a sound like that, you want to know what's making it. And some frogs have very loud vocals, so it could be maybe a mating thing, and maybe I'm making maybe and scared it away. I'm gonna come back. Well, here, that's rock. I think it's covered, or that's not rock. And so I'm going to try going down, but I'm going to sit. So that's over the edge of where I came from. A little bit muddy here. It has been raining, I think, for a couple of days. So I'm going to give a close-up of that. That's a big tree. Not sure what kind. Maybe an evergreen? I don't know. There's a rock in the background that may not be part of the actual structure. There's a little step here. There's a slight hole. And I'm going to come over this way. So these rocks are there, but that is not stable. So, as I said, always test the rock before you get on it. If you're going to climb. And another brick fell off on that side. So I'm going to get down. So there's more on this side, so I'm not going to get up on these because they are loose. So there's this one. I'll get over there when I get around. So, but I want to try to take one edge at a time. I'm not sure